Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very impressive movement on this one today, so much so that a whole lot of updates here need to be done. So let me just actually extend this level out because that's going to be playing a role here in just a second. But before we get to that line, let's first just do a little house cleaning and go ahead and delete that line out. Sure, that level pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now and from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act as support. So going into the day, 2950 was that area of resistance, but you can see got the break of it right there. And then an absolutely classic example of this playing out and the rule that is playing out in the real time of trading here. Price broke above it, came upwards, came back down, and then look right where it bounced from. Right off that level, up it goes. So a classic example there of resistance and then behaving as support. So that's going to be a key level to watch. And then from the overarching standpoint, just watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. And the key dynamic there is that, assuming you care about just the health of the overall move, that right there is how I'm defining the overall move. Just watch a purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above 2950 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, public enemy number right now, or at this point, is right up there at the $31 mark, and that's just where the party stopped today. So keep an eye on 31 moving forward. But all in all, great movement today. Let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.